I'm tryna move the whole gang out the hood, tell the family good, whole team gon' eat. Ain't about blood, about money, this family ties. If I'm Kendrick today, baby, keep. Pray for the day when a
YouTube, it's your boy Sauce. So let's get it. Someone asked me to wear to this track. Khantrast landed in Brooklyn. I told you, like, if you ask me to wear to any track, I'll check it out like straight up. So like, let's get it. Landed in Brooklyn. Let's go.
just landed in Brooklyn.
Why is it like an Ice Spice type bitch? Like, think of that shit, bitch. You know they been a fud. I be going her. I'm bringing the her. So like an Ice Spice type bitch, bro. Like, this might be hard, bro. This might be hard. This beat dog. This might be hard.
Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some bop. Just landed in Brooklyn. Like
The dude is Asian. Drop them bars. I gotta feel this shit.
to the hood for some bop. Just landed in Brooklyn. Like damn. I'm on my villager tip. Bro came through with that fire. Like he came with a literal stick. Black tea taking Hennessy sips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick.
I wasn't expecting this from bro. Like I wasn't expecting this from dog. Why like let him cook like shit like this about to go crazy like that. I'm about to feel the shit.
I'm on my villager tip. Bro came through with that fire. Like he came with a literal stick. Black tea taking Hennessy sips with a rake in my grip in place of a blick. Yo, sorrow. I heard a hood need a rush hour 6. Say less cause I just landed in. Just landed in Brooklyn. Went to the hood for some pop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she on Pinap, give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops. Wait, fresh out of boat and I'm strapped. Bitch, I'm lit off the oolong and liquor. Who wanna smoke to get pet? Get turned to a frame on a picture.
Why is it like everyone who stays black though? He only chill with black homies, know what I'm saying? He's the only Asian nigga over there, bro. Everyone else is black.
Swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops. Wait, fresh out of boat and I'm strapped. Bitch, I'm lit off the oolong and liquor. Who wanna smoke to get pet? Get turned to a frame on a picture. My bro got a stick and a straw hat. Came from a village of scammers and killers. From the struggle, and I could bet I'm the only team that could say this for the homies out broke bread. We're split a 50 when we was still on EBT. I'm tryna move the whole gang out the hood, tell the family good, whole team gon' eat. Ain't about blood, about money, this family ties. If I'm Kendrick today, baby, keep. Pray for the day when the brodies gon' eat. Till the end, the motto was by any means. Look, I'm with the gang and we clicked up. We might be deep, but y'all look like some shook ones. Like, rest of y'all.
Bro, that's why I like it when people ask me to react to some tracks, cause y'all be giving me some bangers, cause this is fire, bro. This is music, dog. Imagine someone asking you to react to something like this, dog. Come on, like, bro, this fire, bro. Like shit, bro. Like, come on, like.
If I'm Kendrick today, baby, keep. Pray for the day when the brodies gon' eat. Till the end, the motto was by any means. Look, I'm with the gang and we clicked up. We might be deep, but y'all look like some shook ones. Like, rest of y'all suck my dick. Like, how much he takes with a fill your whole lung up? Like, I do this shit so my brothers don't gotta be busting their ass for no come up. Like, what? Bitch, I'm the one. I leave them tick like they got a stutter. Wait, just landed in Brooklyn, huh? Went to the hood for some pop. Shawty said she from Bushwick, but she up in that give it top. Like, she hopping on villager dick. She swallow my kids out the wop. Wait, I just landed in the hood. Finna smoke me a fresh pack of ops.
Just landed in Brooklyn. Just landed in Brooklyn, nigga. Just landed in Brooklyn, nigga.
It's gonna be like, this nigga not really cooking. Ain't nobody eat that shit. Yeah, 3 of my niggas ate that shit. Fuck on my face.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. That was fire, bro. No cap. That was fire, bro. That was fire. To be for real, dog. That was fire. That was fire. Don't forget to press the like button and scroll that I'm in love with, dog. It's your boy so freezing. Like, I mean, like, peace.